BigQuery has been building a powerful library of AI functions to bring generative AI directly into your SQL workflows. In this video, we're introducing the AI.AGG function. It's our very first aggregate AI function, designed to help you use Gen AI to reason over entire groups of data at once. You may already be familiar with our scalar functions, like AI.if for filtering, AI.score for rating, or AI.classify for classification. These are incredibly effective for row-level analysis. But as your data grows, you often need to step back from individual rows to understand the bigger picture within a group. That's where the AI.AGG function comes in. It's an aggregate function, so it looks at a whole group of rows and follows your instructions to give you one single answer. This allows you to perform complex tasks like summarizing themes or identifying sentiment trends across data. It's not just for text data either. It can analyze groups of images or even a combination of both, allowing you to do things like compare customer written reviews against their uploaded product photos to find the real story behind the data. Using the AI.AGG function is as simple as asking a question. It only needs two main things to get started. First, your data. This is the data you want the AI to read, like a column of customer reviews, a set of images, or multiple inputs of both text and images. Second, your instruction. This is just a natural language description, telling the AI what to do with that data. Let's see what this looks like in action by running a few queries in the BigQuery data warehouse for Symbol Pets, a simulated online pet supply store. In our first example, we want to look at a list of recent product reviews. Instead of reading them one by one, we use the AI.AGG function over the review column to get a high-level understanding. We simply provide the instruction, summarize the overall sentiment of reviews for this product, what do customers praise and criticize. Because AI.AGG is an aggregate function, we can use it with group by. This means we can get a separate AI summary for every product represented in the reviews table with just one line of code. With one click, BigQuery processes the entire group of text for each product. In the results, you can see it returned a concise summary of the reviews for every product represented. Next, let's look at how the function handles multiple data types at once. In this query, we're passing an input containing both the product name and the product image using object_ref. By providing the instruction, given pairs of product names and images for pet products, what categories of pet products are present? We are asking the AI to reason across both the text and the visuals. Viewing the results, you can see that it analyzed the relationship between the names and the pictures to give us a high-level categorization of our entire inventory. These are just a few examples of how the AI.AGG function enables you to use natural language instructions to summarize, reason, and extract insights from entire sets of text and image data with a single line of SQL. We're excited to see how you use the AI.AGG function to unlock new insights. You can find documentation for the entire BigQuery AI function library in the documentation link below. Thanks for watching.